Good morning and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Oil prices fell as investors weighed the potential effects of a US court ruling that blocked the most sweeping of Trump's tariffs. The market also watched for potential new US sanctions curbing Russian crude flows. A US appeals court reinstated President Donald Trump's sweeping tariffs, leaving Wall Street with no clear direction a day after most of the tariffs were blocked by a trade court, a move that had given markets a brief boost. US crypto mining stocks tumbled after minutes published by the Federal Reserve signalled its growing uncertainty about the country's economic outlook. The crypto market remained unscathed despite the stock drops among crypto miners.
The euro-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory.
The economic calendar for the upcoming days promises to be busy and full of crucial updates. From high to moderate importance, these data points will play a role in influencing trading sentiment and guiding market forecasts. Traders and investors should remain vigilant as these data points approach. Being prepared for possible market reactions will be vital to navigating the financial landscape effectively.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.